Early nature, folks. Early nature. We got a runner. I think there's a bird, but we got a runner, folks. A runner. He's running. Uh-oh, here comes a car. As this deer is running. The car is stopping. Oh, he stopped. Yeah, that car stopped. Whoa. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome. That bird's flying. This bird's flying. The car is still there, folks. You can see the smoke coming out the end of it. I think that's the only deer we got. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is right there, but I wasn't there yesterday. Whatever that is. Thank you, Venus. But yeah, for the early nature, it's like 6 something in the morning, 6 a.m., 6, 7. Now it's like 6 something in the morning. Yeah, so very early, but yeah, that will do it for this quick episode of Neighbor's Nature, Early Nature, and we will see you for the next episodes later today. This might be the only Neighbor's Nature video today because you can't predict deer, but early, I kind of seen that coming, those 2 deer. Or not the 2 deer, but the deer there just coming across the road, kind of like the first Early Nature episode of the Neighbor's Nature. But yeah, that'll do it. I'll see you guys later.